Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet handbag designs, crochet purse designs, different color, different design combinations. You can mostly crochet flowering handbag designs for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Dear friends, you know crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, expensive also. So dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet handbag designs and others like crochet woman outfit ideas, crochet woman long dresses, short dresses, bodycons, garter dresses, skirt designs, crochet woman scarf design, flowering scarf design, caplet, cap shawl, poncho designs, crochet woman neck warmers, leg warmers, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, fingerless gloves, long gloves also. So dear friends, also crochet women jewelry like crochet women necklace design, earrings, bracelets, feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs, baby frock designs, baby cap designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes like baby boots, sandal and slipper designs also. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your friends, relatives and also gives your feedback. Now goodbye.